Make a good decision here. Good girl. Hey, hey, hey. No. Puddy. Puddy. Good girl. That's the right decision. Good girl. I know you want to, but don't. Good decision. I know you're wound up, but that's the right decision. I don't want you biting my toes. So thank you for that. And I'd feel more comfortable if you just went somewhere else when you're in this mood. Just go play over somewhere else. Don't do it. I know you're thinking it. No. Hey. Puddy. Come on. We both know you don't want to do this. You know it's wrong. You know it hurts. Don't do it. Okay. Good decision. Good decision. Thank you. Thank you. Here, let me get you something. I don't have any good stuff, but that's for making a good decision. Thank you. I wish I had better treats. Okay. Glad we both survived that. That's what you need. That's your bone. You don't really fit in your tunnel anymore, by the way. I don't know if you've noticed that. It's just, you're just growing. You were just growing. Now please, keep making the right decision when it comes to my feet, okay? Good girl. Good girl. That's very good, Puddy. That is good. Okay, I'm not playing. I'm just telling you. Don't do it. Come on, you could. Puddy. Puddy. No. Okay, she's teaching her to not chew on my feet. She's doing good right now. Good girl. Good job, Puddy. She gets a tiny little treat. By the way, our treats, we dole out her daily allowance, so we break it up into portions. This is amazing. Like, she was tearing me up before. Good girl, good girl. You get 2 this time. You get 2. Yes, you do. Just because you're being good. Leave it. Leave it. These are my feet. I need them. Wow, you are so smart. Good girl, Puddy. Good girl. Plus you lay down really cute, like some kind of seal or walrus. Good girl. It's almost unbelievable how fast this little girl is learning. Every so often, she'll catch herself. Like, she'll get my foot. She'll just like lay on it or something, and then her mouth will just barely open on it. And you could just tell she's thinking about it. Puddy, down. Good girl. Okay. Leave it. Leave my feet alone, okay? Leave them alone, because you are a good girl. Good girl, Puddy. Good girl. Oh my goodness. You are a little genius. Yes, you are. You are. Now, I don't want you to have to do this the whole time, so I'm going to let you chew on my toe. Not really. All right, Puddy. That's enough for today. We don't like to do the same thing too many times, but she's picking up on us so fast. Look at this. Thinking about it. She's like, can I chew that foot right now? Can I chew that foot? Good job, Puddy. Good job. You didn't do anything. Good job. I like to reward her when she's being calm in times where it'd be hard for her to be calm. Good girl. Like, she's just doing stuff right now that's, she knows, hey, this is good. I get treats and I don't have to I don't get to bite on his feet, which I really want to do. But, oh, gotta do a little chewing now on my own foot. Yes, chew on your own foot. Good girl. Okay, leave my feet alone. Leave it. Leave it. You little genius. Brief interlude. I think you're about due for a bath, huh? Are you due for a bath? Okay, leave it. Leave it. Good girl, Puddy. You thought about it, and that's okay. It's okay if you think about it. You just make the right decisions, huh? Good girl, and then here you go. Now we can play. Get that. Wow. Couldn't be happier with this little puppy. She is learning so fast. Okay, so now she's a little riled up. Boop, 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 boop. Get her a little riled up with this. Then so she's right by my feet now. Leave it. Leave it. Yeah, get that. Good girl. That's a good replacement right there. Good girl. Good girl. See, so she still wants to do it. She definitely wants to bite my feet, but she's getting much, much better. She stops herself now. Puddy. Puddy. Good girl. That's what you do. You play with that. Puddy. Puddy. She's like, well, do I get something? Good girl. Good girl. Yes. That's a little jackpot for you, because that was hard, huh? That was hard for you. Good girl. It's getting better and better. Playing by my feet. This is where she will make a mistake sometimes. Or sometimes she just goes off on my shoes, socks. She will grab a hold. You want this? Good girl. Doesn't matter what my feet are doing, does it? Oh, good girl. That was really good. That was so good that you just laid down. Instead of chasing my feet, you just laid down. I appreciate it because I need my feet. Bup, bup, bup. I'm even touching her. Bup, bup. Good girl. Here, puppy. Puppy. Here, buddy. Buddy. Good girl. You're doing great. Good girl. Good girl. Hello. Okay, let's see if you make the right decisions. Boop. Boop. How hard is that? Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Good girl. Good girl. That is so good. You're doing terrific. And I'm full on taunting you. She's thinking about it. She is thinking about it. It's something that was a habit. She developed a habit chewing on me. Good girl, Puddy. Good girl. Good girl. Can I bug you again? Boop. Boop. You want to do it so bad. Good girl. Great decision. Yes. Great decision. Man. You are something else. Yes, you are. Okay, I'm going to touch your face. Boop. Gently, though. I'm not harassing you. Thank you. I like my toes. And your feet. Good girl. Good girl. My goodness, you are so good. Wow. Can't tell you how amazing it is, how fast she's learned this. Good girl. Now she sees a dog. Good girl. That's a pretty dog, huh? Good girl. Hi. Good girl. That is a pretty dog.
Thank you.
You see that? Good girl. Good girl. It's just a doggy. It was a husky went by. Man, you're doing really good. You're not chewing my toes. You're not reacting to dogs going by. Well, reacting in a negative way. You're doing great. You know what, Puddy? Good job. Knuckle bump. Knuckle nose bump. Blink.